Mas malawak at mas exciting na badminton event ang nilahukan ng mga badminton enthusiasts mula sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas sa ginanap na 4th Alabang Badminton Invitational kamakailan.
This is the 4th Alabang Badminton Invitational. We're now having our finals at Alabang Town Center, Activity Center, and elimination at Playground Badminton Court. So this year is a bigger and better non-profitable event for us because more sponsors are coming in and give their support for this event. We have 1,400 participants this year. So not only from Metro Manila, but others are from nearby provinces.
Ang nasabing event ay taunang isinasagawa sa pangunguna ng William and William Gabuelo Badminton Academy na may layong maipromote ang badminton sports sa mas maraming tao.
By charging a minimal amount of 250 pesos and 350 pesos, and by that sacrificing the quality of the tournament, in a way we promote camaraderie among badminton enthusiasts. We are happy to say that we have 100 winners coming from age group from ages 11 to 15 and under, and the level doubles from 16 years old and up.
Di matatawarang galak naman ang nararamdaman ng mga participants, lalo na ng mga winners sa pagsali ng naturang event.
Masaya kasi hindi kagaya nung dati, mas maganda yung mga game ngayon, mas malalakas ang kalaban. Well-organized yung event, and then mga competitive lahat ng player. And masarap manalo. Siyempre.
Actually, kanina talaga hindi na namin alam mananalo kasi first game at saka second set namin puro malas na kami. I mean, parang yung mga tira namin wala na talaga. So, hindi namin expect na mananalo pa kami.
Bali po, pa-4th year ko na pong sumali sa league na to, para po ma-enhance pa po yung talent ko sa badminton. Maganda po siyang tournament kasi nakakamit ka ng iba't ibang players mula sa iba't ibang lugar.
So, it's my first time joining this kind of tournament. Yung may leg, sobrang haba. The event was very nice. Really enjoyed. I think first time.
Oh, it's my
Second time she joined. First time I joined.
Umaasa ang mga organizers na mas magiging exciting at mas maraming tao pa ang makikilahok sa susunod na season ng nasabing kompetisyon.